Today we are going to learn about Pythagoras theorem and how to apply Pythagoras theorem and what are the types of problem that are made in Pythagoras theorem. So if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Manan. I'm going to take care for the maths right now and I will be teaching you today the Pythagoras theorem, how to apply it and the things. So what we are going to learn today, when we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem, we need to have the knowledge of exponents. That is the first thing we are going to discuss today in the session, that what are exponents, how we apply them in the case of Pythagoras theorem. And next, what is right angle triangle is and how to apply Pythagoras theorem, what is the use case, what exactly is Pythagoras theorem. At the last, we are going to discuss about golden ratio. So let's learn the Pythagoras theorem. Before we start with what exactly is theorem. Theorem is a true statement that can be proved using already proven things. So whatever knowledge we have, we use that knowledge to make theorem. That will be always true. And today we are going to learn one of the theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. Now this GIF on your screen is trying to tell you what exactly the Pythagoras theorem is and what we apply in right angle triangle, that is the use case of Pythagoras theorem. So first thing, we are going to learn about what exponents are. So those who have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And let's start with the exponents part. When I write a number on the top of a number, like here, 3 is written on the top of 2. What exactly is the meaning of this? That if I write 2, on the top of 2 I write 3, that means 2 is multiplied 3 times. So it is not 2 3s are 6, it is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Like if I ask you the answer for this 9 and on the top of 9 I write 2, what will be the answer? Write your answers please. So answer will be 9 into 9. It's not 9 2s are 18. So please try not to do this mistake. 9 into 9, that will be 81. We will be using the power 2 in Pythagoras theorem. That is why it's important for us to know what is Pythagoras theorem, how to apply it. And we have a nickname for power 2. For the power 2, we have a nickname square, and power 3, we have a nickname cube. We can also say 8 raised to the power 3 or 9 raised to the power 2 for the first one. But what is the nickname for power 2? 9 square, 8 cube. Like if I want to write this, I can read it as 5 raised to the power 3, or by the nickname, it is 5 cube. Now please do answer me. Square of 8. So what I am trying to ask you here is, what will be the answer for this? The answer for this will be 8 to the 16. If your answer is this, that will be a wrong answer. This means 8 is multiplied twice. 8 is multiplied twice, that is 8 into 8. That will be 64. So the correct answer for this is 8. So why we are learning this exponents today with Pythagoras theorem, that reason will be understood to everyone when I will be explaining you how to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now we are going to discuss what right angle triangle is. See, there are 3 angles in any triangle, and a triangle which have one angle 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Like the triangle on your screen have this angle A 90 degree. So any triangle which have one angle 90 degree is called this right angle triangle. Now the next very important thing to apply Pythagoras theorem is, we need to know what are legs in a right angle triangle. So what are legs? The side which make 90 degree are called legs. Like this triangle, I'm naming it cap. This triangle name, I'm naming it cap. So what are the legs in the right angle triangle cap? So sides which make 90 degree, this is our 90 degree angle. So what are the sides which make 90 degree are this CA and CP. So CA and CP are our legs for the given right angle triangle. Let's try again. And this time you will be answering me, what are the legs for the given triangle? On the top, you have a right angle triangle again. I'm naming it tub. What is the name for this triangle? Tub. So you need to tell me what are the legs in this right angle triangle tub. The sides which make 90 degree. So which are the sides which make 90 degree are TU and UB. So TU and UB are the sides which make 90 degree. So these are the legs, and we will be using this leg thing in applying right angle Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle. Now you need to answer me this: a sandwich on your screen makes a triangle PQR, which is having a right angle at P. Legs will be, now the sides which make 90 degree are called legs. So it is given to us that here is the 90 degree angle. So what are the sides which make 90 degree? Sides which make 90 degree are PQ and PR. So sides which make 90 degree are PQ and PR. So PQ and P are the legs for the given right angle triangle. So your answer was correct. Next thing we should know is what is hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. The side in front of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. In the triangle given ABC, what will be the hypotenuse? This is 90 degree for us in the given triangle, and the side in front of 90 degree is called the hypotenuse. So BC will be the hypotenuse for triangle ABC. Now let's say this triangle have a name OT. So what will be the hypotenuse in OT? You need to answer me this. In the triangle OT, the side in front of 90 degree will be the hypotenuse. So what is the 90 degree angle? Angle at O. So what is the side in front of angle O? That is AT. So AT will be the hypotenuse. Now let's try one more. This is the given right angle triangle to you with the name LAP. The triangle name is LAP, and at A it makes 90 degree. So if I ask you what will be the hypotenuse, the side in front of 90 degree will be the hypotenuse. So what will be the side in front of 90 degree? Angle A is 90. So LP will be our hypotenuse. Now what we have understood, to apply Pythagoras theorem, we should know what are legs and what is hypotenuse for a right angle triangle. How it is going to help us in applying Pythagoras theorem, we are going to discuss that. So first thing we should know where is the 90 degree angle, and based on that we will decide what are the legs and what is hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. If we can do these three things, we can easily apply the Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle, which we are going to discuss today. So make sure you remember what is the hypotenuse in a given right angle triangle. That is, side in front of 90 degree will be called as hypotenuse, and this is the largest side in any right angle triangle. Let's try one problem based on hypotenuse. In triangle OWL, this triangle which is on your screen, OWL, you need to tell me that if angle O is 90 degree, this angle O is 90 degree, what will be the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse will be the side in front of 90 degree. So what is the side in front of 90 degree? That is WL. So WL will be the hypotenuse for the given triangle. Now let's try to understand how to apply Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle. So what we have discussed till now, we have learned what are legs in a right angle triangle and what is the hypotenuse. How do we know that? By the 90 degree angle where it is formed in a right angle triangle. Now let's try to understand what exactly is Pythagoras theorem. So right now we are not trying to understand Pythagoras theorem, we are trying to understand the use case of Pythagoras theorem, how to apply in right triangle. So what it does, it relates the side length of a right angle triangle, and how it do that, let's try to understand that part. So our confusion right now is how we are going to relate the side length in a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says if we know the side length, that is we know the two legs, and if we know any two sides we can find the third side. And what it says, sum of square of legs, that is the green thing and the pink thing are the legs, is equal to the square of hypotenuse. I will give you an example taking the side length. Now this is what we have understood. So what it says, that if this is the 90 degree angle in the given right angle triangle, and the sides which make 90 degree are called legs, so A and B are our legs. So we know what are legs. So what the Pythagoras theorem says, in a right angle triangle, sum of square of legs, that is first leg was A and the second leg we have is B. So A square plus B square is equal to hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse? The side in front of 90 degree, that will be C. The side in front of 90 degree is C. So it will be A square plus B square is equal to C square. That is how the side lengths are related in a right angle triangle. This is what we need to learn in the session today, that how we are going to use this and apply this in the given right angle triangle. So let's talk about a problem. In triangle ANT, right angled at N, it is given this is the right angle where right angle is made, that N, at N the right angles forms. So here we have 90 degree, here we have 90-degree angle. Now we will know where is 90-degree angle. We can tell that AN and NT are legs. AN and NT are legs. So if I know AN and NT are legs and AT will be my hypotenuse. So what I need to write? Sum of square of legs, that is AN and AN square, AN square plus NT square, NT square is equal to, sum of square of legs is equal to the square of hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Side in front of 90 degree, that is AT. So is equal to AT square. Now from the given option we can find out which one is equal to this part, that is AN square plus NT square. AN square plus NT square is equal to AT square. That is option number C. That's how we apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? It says sum of square of legs is equal to the square of hypotenuse. So we need to sum the square of legs, then equate it to the square of hypotenuse. That is what we need to do in applying Pythagoras theorem. Let's try one more problem. In triangle ABD. Now on your screen, please tell me that on your screen how many triangles are there in this triangle given ADB. Now if you look at the triangle given, there are three triangles, one larger triangle and two small triangle, that is ABC is a smaller triangle and ACD is a triangle and another ABD. So there are three triangles total, but we are interested to apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ABD. We are interested to apply the Pythagoras in the triangle ABD. This triangle we are talking about, that is the bigger triangle we have. So we need to apply the Pythagoras in the triangle ABD. Now if we know that what are the legs and what is hypotenuse in the triangle ABD, it's very easy to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So let's make the triangle ABD that is given to us, and in which we need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So this is the given triangle ABD. Now this is our given triangle ABD. We need to apply the Pythagoras theorem here, that at right angle is here. So if we know where is the right angle triangle, we know what are the legs. So legs are AD and AB. The sides which make 90 degree are called legs. So now I know what are the legs. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says that sum of square of legs, that is AB square plus AD square is equal to the square of hypotenuse. And where is the hypotenuse? The side in front of 90 degree. So here is we have 90 degree and the side in front of 90 degree is BD. So AB square plus AD square is equal to BD square. This is what we need to learn, and this is how we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. And there are only two types of problem which are made on this concept in right angle triangle. So the answer for this option will be, this problem will be D option. And we can write, if I can write x is equal to y, I can also say y is equal to x. So don't get confused. If it is if I can write this x is equal to y, I can also write y is equal to x. So I can also write first hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of legs square. That is what we have done in this problem. Now this was about applying right angle triangle in the bigger triangle, and I told you there are three triangles total, two small triangle and one big triangle. Now we need to apply Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ABC, the smaller one. Let's make the triangle ABC here. A, B, C. First thing we need to know where is 90 degree. Now please everyone tell me where is 90 degree angle. The 90 degree angle is at C. The 90 degree angle is formed at C. Can anyone please tell me what are the legs? The sides which make 90 degree are called legs. So here is 90 degree. the legs will be AC and CB. So the legs will be this AC and CB are our legs. Now I know what are the legs. So what our Pythagoras theorem says, sum of square of legs, that is AC square plus CB square is equal to the square of hypotenuse. And what is hypotenuse? The side in front of 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So what will be the hypotenuse? This is our 90 degree at angle at C. Now in front of that we have side length AB. So that will be our Pythagoras theorem for the required right angle triangle we are talking about, that is ABC. So that's how we need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, sum of square of legs is equal to the square of hypotenuse. So answer will be option C. Most of you are correct. Let's talk about more problems and how to apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangles. Now I told you that there are three triangles on your screen. This last triangle we are talking about, we have talked about ABD, we have talked about ABC. Now we are going to talk about ACD triangle. Please tell me that as per your understanding of Pythagoras theorem till now, which is the correct option from the given things. If I talk about the triangle, that on the left there is a triangle ACD we are talking about, apply the Pythagoras theorem and tell me what will be the correct answer. एक बात